Microbes are very important because they do so many things and so many different things that just go unseen and unnoticed by us on a day-to-day basis. I'm Srijak Bhatnagar, Assistant Professor of Computational Biology in the Faculty of Science and Technology at Athabasca University. We have used microbes to produce products for us. We have been doing it for millennia: bread, beer, how we fight our diseases. We use penicillin and other antibiotics. Most of the antibiotics actually come from microbes themselves. And they eat a lot of different things. So they could eat starch, they could eat cellulose like wood. But here's where the cool thing about microbes is that they could eat things that we never think of. For example, they could eat benzene, which is a component of oil. So if, say, there was an oil spill, a microbe that eats oil normally would be in small numbers there, but as soon as an oil spill happens, they will identify there is food for me. They will rapidly start eating oil and start multiplying. So we can detect this, that there is now a lot of microbes that eat oil. That means there has been an oil spill, or even better, we know what those microbes are, so we can use them as our allies in cleaning up oil spill. So one of the projects we're doing is in northern Alberta, working alongside Big Stone Cree Nation. And this is an area around oil sands region, so there are community concerns about water being contaminated. And we are studying the lakes and the rivers in the First Nations to identify what kind of microbes are there, and then can we use those microbes to identify what kind of pollution are entering in the lakes and rivers of Big Stone Cree Nation. So working from a baseline, what we can tell is that if a certain type of microbes goes up, and we know that the microbe can degrade a pollutant, then we can identify what pollutant is also going up in the water. Microbes are canary in the coal mine. We can use that as a warning system to something's happening in the water. One of the cool things microbes can eat, and we have been finding more and more of these microbes, is they could eat plastic. So normally we think of plastics that are going to be around for hundreds to thousands of years, which normally is the case, but now we are starting to learn that there are microbes that can eat plastics, which is a really amazing ability, because if we can find and study those microbes that eat plastic, then we can harness this ability to start to degrade plastics in our environment, in our landfills, in our waterways. Microbes will be very essential for our future as we move towards a sustainable development goals. Not only they could provide us with biotechnological applications for new products, including new antibiotics, but also our future pollution could be different from our current pollution as we move towards sustainable living, and microbes could be an ally in mitigating our footprint from the get-go.